Villa Estrella. So that's coming out in July 1. So if you guys have time, sana panoorin niyo yung movie kasi it's my first movie also. So and I'm a little bit nervous for it, but sana supportahan niyo kasi we really worked hard for this movie. Sa lahat ng mga Shakers, yung fans ng Shake, the love team between me and Shaina, you guys will really enjoy this movie kasi it's the first time you'll see both of us in a major movie like this. Saka follow-up siya from Your Song na sinuportahan nyo and doon na naman nagsimula yung Shake eh. So this is a follow-up to that. So this movie is for you guys.
Hi Jake, anong next project nyo ni Shaina after ng Villa Estrella?
Bale, they're fixing another show for me and Shaina. Bale, it will come out most likely after tayong dalawa pa. Pero it's a interesting soap opera. Bale, they offered it to me. When they offered it to me, I really liked the role. Tapos they told me Shaina was gonna be my partner. So, lalo akong na-excite kasi I really enjoy working with Shaina. So, I'm sure if you guys are a fan of the Love Team or if you're a fan of our tandem, talagang magugustuhan nyo itong susunod namin na soap opera. It's gonna come out most likely after tayong dalawa. So, yeah.